it might be fires in them damn ducks. Yeah, okay, don't remind the fine duck killer. Duck hunter. ASM. Blackberry, west side of the best side of the room. You say bye, 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 bye.
Hey, Blackbird, you got any condition around Chicago? Mother Nature's gone plumb crazy on me tonight. Hey, Blackbird singing in the dead of night. 28 Mobile, Chicago, looking back. No contact, no condition, Blackbird. No contact, no Roger. Blackbird on the west side, the best side of the west side. 28 Mobile, Chicago with no condition.
Keep up, killing them duck killer. Blackberry, west side is the best side. Duck killer, the Blackberry dwelling, say bye.
Hey, Blackbird, can I get in the side of your beam? I don't know where you're looking. Hey, Blackbird, can you look around Chicago? Hey, Blackbird, can you look around Chicago and wave at your friend number 28 Mobile? Hello, Blackbird, singing in the dead of night. 28 Mobile, Chicago on the way home.
28 Mobile, if you get in my door, if you get it here, I'm gonna call your name. Hello, 28 Mobile around Chicago. 28 Mobile, Chicago. Blackberry, west side of the best side, left back, come out.
Now, to that time, Blackbird, I just wanted to say howdy do you, man. Mother Nature is shucking and jiving on me tonight. She's been dropping you in and out like a, I don't know what, like a spider on a web. Hey, Blackbird, I just wanted to say howdy do you, see how you doing? How's everything going? Bang.
The girl, y'all 28 Mobile, everything is well. Oh my hand, I hope everything is well on your head. Hello, 28 Mobile, Chicago, Blackberry, west side, left back, come out.
Everything's real good. Everything's real good, Blackbird. It's a beautiful day out here in Chicago. I'm enjoying this weather. Enjoying my radio, getting a little skip in here. Sure is good to hear you on the band, Blackbird. I've been looking for you for a little while. You sounded good as always, my friend. And I'm sure glad you squeezed that trigger. Say howdy do to your friend 28 Mobile. Got all the way down.
All right, 28 Mobile, when you get all the way down, I'm going to do just like you. I am going to get all the way down, too. Sounding good, 28 Mobile, Chicago. It's a pleasure with a double measure on this double in. Speak to my friend, 28 in the Mobile. Blackberry, west side of the best side of New Orleans, got down. I am going again.
Sounded real good, too. You got my needle in the corner, Blackbird. You got some Mother Nature right now. Put it on you later, my friend. We will do it another day, another way. If I hear you out there, I'm going to squeeze this trigger. Your friend 28 in the Mobile. Ain't got no base station. Put it on you later. I'm going.
Right, a lot of them dumpers, they been in Mobile and they'll blow the horn like you 28. Hey, 28, a lot of them dumpers, they be in the Mobile and they'll blow their dumpers horn. You boy, no doubt about it. 28 Mobile, Chicago. Pleasure with a double measure. The Blackberry on the west side of the best side of New Orleans. I am bye.
But Bobcat was trying to tell me something to you, my man. 35, you messed it up. Good evening, 35, we got.
Johnny, hook on that shockwave around Maryland before you get out of there. See if I can put this in your radio. Hello, Johnny, hook on that shockwave around Maryland.